If you thought that the OnePlus 8 was a great device, then the OnePlus 8 Pro is an absolute beast. There are an incredible number of features in this device that make it a compelling purchase. There are 5 things that stand out when it comes to the OnePlus 8 Pro. We're talking about a Snapdragon 865 processor with 5G capability. We are looking at a 120Hz fluid display, mind-boggling. And add that in with a 128 or 256GB storage, along with 6GB or 12GB RAM, you've got a beast in your hand. A 48 megapixel quad camera, and to power all of that, a 4510 mAh battery along with warp charge. Now the heart that powers the OnePlus 8 Pro is the Snapdragon 865 processor with 5G capability. Now we're talking about the best in class 5G capability at this point of time, and not to mention 25% faster performance compared to previous gen processors. Now, having a fast processor is really one part of the story. The other part of the story is the RAM. Now we're talking about an LPDDR5 RAM, and the combination of both of these is absolutely sizzling. Now, when you buy a phone like the OnePlus 8 Pro, the one thing that people will see day in and day out is this display. You want people to be overwhelmed by these, and they do deliver. Now we're talking about a 120Hz processor. Now the OnePlus 8 has a 90Hz processor, and this is far more smoother. We are also talking about a 10-bit display, which means 1 billion colors, and it has 1300 nits of brightness. Now put these all together, day in and day out, this processor and this display will deliver. A lot of the pro level magic comes from this quad camera stack out the back. We're looking at two 48 megapixel cameras, we're looking at an 8 megapixel camera and a 5 megapixel camera. And the ultra wide lens has a 120-degree field of view. Now that's pretty awesome. Now we're also looking at a 3x hybrid zoom. And in terms of the camera's chops in itself, we're looking at a 4K video coming to you at 60 frames per second. And if you're going super slow-mo, 480 frames per second. A true pro level performance coming from this quad camera stack. Now let there be no doubt, now a camera, a processor and a screen of this caliber is going to need a lot of juice, and that's provided for in that 4510 mAh battery. Now having a great battery is one thing, but the real thing of late is how quickly it can charge up, and with warp charge we're looking at a 0 to 50% in under 30 minutes. Now that is quick and that is powerful, and that is completing the pro level features of this device. Now we thought that the OnePlus 8 was a compelling purchase, but the OnePlus 8 Pro really pushes the notch a few levels higher. Now the Oxygen OS customized for the OnePlus device is absolutely hot knife on butter smooth, and it delivers the performance that you're looking at. We're also looking at a lot of enhancements that makes playing games all the more better. You've got a 120Hz screen out there and special camera modes to bring out that extra bit of finer detail that your eye probably can't catch. Now, if you're in the market, and again, this is a pricey device, and if you're looking to buy this device, this is a good purchase. Go for it.